Hey there, welcome to Traqmetrix, the place where we talk about Zoho for learners and for business owners. Have you thought about sending the link to collect the details directly from the people? In this video, let's see how to create a form link to effortlessly collect information from vendors. Let's get started. Select Operations from the left side panel in Application Dashboard. Select Publish. Now click on Publish component. Here we need to choose the application and the form component that needs to be published. For example, we choose Vendor Registration Application and Add Vendor Form as component. Click on Publish. Here we have the published link. You can copy this link using the copy button. Let's try if this is working. Paste the copied link in the search engine and click on Enter. There you have it. We now have access to add vendor form from vendor registration application. Like this, you can publish any particular component from your application and share it with the users for filling in the details. And the submitted records will be stored in the Zoho Creator application. Also, this particular link will give access only to the particular form that is shared and not for the entire application. For assistance in tackling these challenges, feel free to reach out to us at support@traqmetrix.com.